You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, stay tuned. This can be a given name. This is also the name of an ancient colony, Greek colony in ancient Italy. Elea is the English pronunciation. In Latin, even Greek, I believe, it would be more Elea, Elea, or even in Italian, Elea. But in English, Elea. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.